Support and resistance, trend following, breakouts, and reversals. Traders chase all of these every single day, but the truth is, most indicators out there only give half the picture. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 brand new TradingView indicators on GBPUSD that are not just theory, they actually print signals you can use right away. I'll show you the exact timeframes and settings that can boost win rates and cut drawdowns, so you can see how powerful they really are. Stay with me until the end, because every single one of these tools has its own edge. And when you understand how to use them properly, the difference in your results can be huge. Let's start with number 5. It's called Swing Failure Zones and Signals by Algo Alpha. This one is designed to catch potential swing failures and plot clear bullish and bearish signals on the chart. The best time frame for this indicator is the 1-hour chart. As soon as I add it, you can see it plotting zones and arrows where swing failures happen. The logic is simple but powerful. A bullish swing failure happens when the current low dips below the previous low, but then closes above the previous high. A bearish swing failure is the opposite. The high pushes higher, but closes lower than the previous low. The indicator automatically creates zones around these failure points and manages them by removing invalidated ones. Arrows mark the signals so you don't have to guess. The way to use it is straightforward. Watch for price entering these zones. If you see a bullish zone forming and the arrow pointing up, it's a potential reversal. Stops can go just below the zone, and targets can be the next resistance level. On the bearish side, watch for the red zones. When price taps into them and rejection shows, you can open a sell position with a stop loss above the zone. It's very effective on forex markets, especially during volatile sessions. All right, let me clear this one out and move to number 4.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
The next indicator I want to show you is called the EMA QQE trend following strategy. It is the one created by tradeiq. On default settings, this strategy has about a 51% win rate, which already makes it decent. But by tweaking the settings, you can push that up a lot higher. So, let's open the settings. You can do that from here and make the changes. First, set the tema source to open. Then set the first tema length to 30 and the second to 100. Straight away, this adjustment increases the win rate to around 68% on GBPUSD. Next, open Properties and change the order size from 80% to 25% of equity. That reduces the maximum drawdown to about 7.5%. Finally, go into Style tab and hide the trademarks on the chart to keep things clean. These are going to be all the changes we will be doing for this indicator. Now, every time a buy or sell signal prints, you can set an alert so you don't miss it. With these settings, the signals become much sharper, and the reduced drawdown makes it a lot safer to use. This one is excellent on the daily chart, so I recommend using this indicator on a daily time frame. Okay, let's remove this one and move on to number 3 indicator on our list. This one is called the ICT Turtle Soup by Flux Charts. It is this one, add it to the trading chart. If you like simple, rule-based signals, this is a great pick. It's based on liquidity grabs and market structure, classic ICT concepts, but wrapped into one clean indicator. It plots the signals, gives you stop loss and target levels, and even has a dashboard so you can see the performance without doing manual backtest. This works very well on the 5-minute and 15-minute charts. Let me show you the correct settings for these indicators. Change the MSS swing length to 16. With that small tweak, the win rate jumps up to around 60%. That's a big difference just from one change. You'll see the chart showing clean buy and sell signals with built-in stops and profit targets. It makes the turtle soup concept much easier to trade without second-guessing. Now let's clear this one and go to number 2 indicator I want to show you guys. The name of the indicator is Double Vega Supertrend Enhanced Strategy created by Present Trading. This tool takes the normal super trend, but improves it by adding volatility adjustments and Vega's channel width, making it more dynamic and responsive to market conditions. Here's how to set it up properly. First, in the inputs, set the ATR period for Supertrend to 5. Change the Supertrend multiplier base 1 to 4. Then set the volatility adjustment factor to 3. Next, go into Strategy Properties and set the order size to 20%. That keeps your exposure limited. With these settings, the strategy's win rate improves to around 76%, while keeping the drawdown under control. On daily time frame, it's particularly strong. If used for buy trades, the signals align well with bigger market trends. It's one of those indicators you can rely on for capturing sustained moves instead of short spikes. Alright, let me remove this and move on to number 1 indicator on our list. This one is amazing and has many use cases when being used in live trading. The name of the indicator is Price and Volume Breakout Buy Strategy by TradeiQ. It is this one. You can add it to the trading chart. It's built to catch moments when both price and volume break out together, which usually leads to explosive moves. It works the best on more volatile markets such as Bitcoin. Here's how it works. The indicator looks at a certain number of candles as a window, checking the highest price and highest volume in that range. If the current price closes above that high and volume also spikes above the previous maximum, it counts as a breakout. To filter fake moves, trades are only allowed if price is above a moving average, so you're always trading in the direction of the trend. This strategy is especially effective on the daily time frame. To improve performance, open the settings and set the trend line length to 150. Change the risk per position to 20%. With these adjustments, the win rate goes up to around 85% on the daily time frame, and the drawdown stays relatively low. That's a very high win rate for a breakout system. So, in this video, we've looked at 5 of the most accurate indicators you can use in your trading. All of these indicators can be customized to boost win rates or reduce drawdowns depending on your style. That's it for today's video. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you have any questions, drop a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you guys in the next video.